How to fix Netflix downloads on too many devices error. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the downloads on too many devices error on Netflix. So let's get started. This error appears when your Netflix account has reached the maximum number of devices allowed to store downloaded content. So to fix it, you gotta open the Netflix application, sign into your account, and then you gotta go to My Netflix at the bottom right corner and click on Profile at the top left. Here, you're going to click on Account and you'll be redirected to your browser. From here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of Access and Devices. Then it's going to send you a code on your email. So simply type that code down and you'll be able to see all the devices listed currently using download slots. So you're going to remove a device that you no longer use by tapping Remove Device, and that will free up a download slot for your current device. After removing an unused device, you gotta return to Netflix and try downloading the movie or show again. If you still have issues, sign out of Netflix and sign back in, restart the application, and that's it. That's how you can fix downloads on too many devices error on Netflix. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.